Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Binance. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, go ahead and open up your Bybit app, and in here, go to Assets. Now go ahead and tap on Withdraw. Now at the top, type in USDT. Now tap on USDT. Okay. And here, as you can see, it needs an address. What we're going to do is just go ahead and open up our Binance app. Okay. Now in here, just go ahead over to Assets. Now tap on Add Funds. Okay. Tap on Deposit Crypto. Now in here, look for USDT. All right. Tap on USDT. Let's say, for example, you wanted it to be a BP20. All right. Just tap on it. Now here's your deposit address. Just copy it and go back to Bybit. All right. Down here, just paste the code. Now under network, tap on it. Now select BEP20. All right. Just tap on it. Now go ahead and enter the amount. For example, 10. Like that, and hit on Done. As you can see here, it says an error because I don't have any balance right here. So basically, just hit on Withdraw and follow the simple prompts after this. And that's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.